Welcome to our channel. Today we how to activate your American Family Insurance policy step by step clearly. To activate your American Family Insurance policy, begin by gathering the necessary information. Ensure you have your policy number readily available. You can find this number on your insurance documents or in your email confirmation. Next, visit the American Family Insurance website. Once on the home page, locate the login option at the top right corner. Click on the login button. If you already have an account, enter your email and password. If you do not have an account yet, look for the sign up or create account link. Click on the appropriate link to start the registration process. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. Make sure to provide your policy number when requested. After completing your registration, log in to your account. Once logged in, navigate to the section labeled Manage Policies. Here, you will see options for activating your policy. Select the option that allows you to activate or confirm your policy. Follow any additional prompts to finalize the activation process. If you encounter any difficulties, consider contacting customer service for assistance. You can reach them via phone, email, or through the online chat feature. After successful activation, review your policy details to ensure everything is correct. You are now ready to enjoy the benefits of your American Family Insurance policy. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.